What does minimalism mean to me? I just try to use everything that I own with intention. This doesn't mean that I don't own some stuff, especially in my apartment. I do own a desk because that's where I do my work, edit, eat, drink, chill, and sleep. Just kidding, I'm not that extreme. I do have a bed where I can do my work, edit, eat, drink, chill, and sleep as well. To be honest, I was actually forced into living a minimalist lifestyle. I didn't have a choice. I lived on a cruise ship for 4 years. Nobody told me that my life would be stuffed in 2 suitcases, minimal and boring, because I don't have anything. But I mean, what I do have are my necessities and priorities. My camera bag, lens, drone, computer, hard drives. Oh, and I can't forget about my hat. I do own all the same colors and style of clothes to save me time. And I don't mind dressing the same every single day and look the same in every single photos and videos. Actually, it helps me a lot because my Instagram looks consistent and I can always use my footage as a B-roll for all my videos. Most people don't actually know that I'm a minimalist, just my very close friends, because I don't really share my personal life. So I guess now you're my very good friend. Welcome to my minimalist apartment. Here's where I spend most of my time, writing videos, planning, editing client work, and my YouTube videos. Here's our equipment corner. I keep the things that I use the most, so it's always ready to go. Over here we have a TV that we use to watch some documentaries, movies, and YouTube. We don't spend too much time watching TV, but we love spending time on the couch, drinking tea, and chatting about life while looking at this view. The kitchen is super small, but we do own everything that we need to eat our boring vegan meals. In the bathroom, nothing special, just like any other one. This is the place where my ideas for those videos come from. And in the bedroom, here's another space to do some work, writing, edit more client videos, and make some calls. Oh, I'm sorry, she's working now. If you wanna work from anywhere, link is down below. She's hiring and can tell you how you can do the same. At the end of the day, my goal is to be happy. We simply buy the things that bring us joy and make our life easier, so we can focus on things that really matter the most. Enjoying life. If you would like to support my channel, subscribe for more videos like this one. Give it a like if you're not vegan, if you're vegan as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.